Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for December 1 to 15, 2024. So let's see what's coming to you. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Leo. What is coming? What is coming to you? December 1 to 15 for Leo. Okay. Truth be told. Uy, parang may clarity rito. Maaring may katotohanang malalaman mo, or someone will speak up, or parang pwedeng merong maglalabas ng kanyang nararamdaman towards you. Kasi mga hearts to, lumilipad yung mga hearts. Inopen niya ang bintana. Tinanggal na niya yung mask niya. Okay? So, meron dito nagpapakatotoo sa nararamdaman. O, baka ikaw to, or the person that you're dealing with or connected sa'yo. The fates. You will also feel good about yourself ngayong first half ng December. You will feel more confident. May mga stars, you are shining. I feel like you will gain a lot of attention ngayong first half ng December. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging artista para makagain ka ng attention. This can be within the company, within the office, if you're into social media, so mas maraming makakakita, mas maraming makakapansin sa'yo. You also have serendipity. Wow, may fates na, may serendipity pa. This is a good energy for you because four-leaf clover. So, it symbolizes good luck. Inaangat ka. So, I feel like merong mga mangyayari ngayong first half ng December na mag-a-align sa yung mga plano, sa yung mga goals, wherein you are one step closer to your goals. Okay. Let's see what else for Leo. Parang ang dami mong ma-achieve ngayong first half ng December. You are unstoppable. Unstoppable ang mga Leo. Okay, let's see what else. You have the Four of Swords. This is relaxing. Pwedeng kayo ay magbabakasyon, or you will have, some time para sa sarili mo, to sleep more, to relax, to rest, to have a rest. Oh, diba may star na naman. You are really achieving your dreams, your goals, Leo. A time for healing rin for some of you. So if you've been through some challenges or situations na medyo painful, so you are now in the process of healing. Yung iba pwedeng medical issues, na yung iba na ospital ng mga nakaraan, tas ngayon nasa road to recovery na kayo. You have the Six of Cups. You have the Three of Pentacles. The Ace of Cups. Wow. Now, some of you, there is an offer of collaboration, working with others, bagong project. Parang yung iba sa inyo rito, medyo mako-confuse kayo. Alin yung pipiliin nyo, ano yung uunahin nyo, because this might pwedeng dumating to sa'yo ng sabay-sabay. 'Diba? So, pag sabay-sabay yung mga opportunities, hindi mo alam kung aling uunahin mo. So, piliin mo kung saan saan ka nagre-resonate. Saan sa tingin mo magagamit mo yung iyong talento, yung knowledge mo, yung skill set mo. You have a dream, a long time dream or childhood dream that will manifest ngayong first half ng December, or mag-open to ng opportunity for you na makuha mo siya. Okay? So, for example, gusto mong maging artista. 'Di ba? Nung bata ka, gusto mong maging actor, actress, singer, ganyan. And then, ngayon, may opportunity na, nandyan para sa'yo na tuparin yun. Like, may mga auditions or mayroon kang platform wherein you can showcase your talents, your skills. Oo. So, grab that opportunity. Actually, maraming options available sa'yo ngayon, Leo. Ikaw lang talaga ang pipili kung alin ang gusto mo dyan na i-pursue. Meron talagang truth. May decision making. If meron kayong court case, ngayong first half ng December, pwedeng may decision na. Nako, Leo, be careful sa mga papasukin nyo rin na mga business opportunities or investments. Okay? Like what I mentioned kanina, maraming options. Pero use your discernment, yung judgment mo, ano yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Kasi I see someone na betraying you, na pwedeng, lalo na kung wala ka masyadong alam sa batas or sa pasikot-sikot ng papasukin mo. Let's say, pumirma ka na lang basta, hindi mo binasa yung kontrata, 'di ba? So, be very careful sa mga ganyan. Kasi maaring mayroong legal case or issues sa batas. So, you have Pioneer. So, yung iba sa inyo, may mga projects, ideas na kayo yung magsisimula ngayong first half ng December. Okay. Like what I mentioned kanina, maaring merong energy from the past. I don't know if na-mention ko na, but there can be a energy from the past na will try to parang kukunin ulit yung loob mo para magtiwala ka sa kanya. Pero in the end, sisirain niya ulit. Kaya nga may form ng betrayal dito. So, be very careful. Kung hindi naging maganda yung situation nyo, relationship nyo with that person or with that situation, career or business, at bumalik, ano ba yung dapat mong gawin? Bibigyan mo pa ba ng chance? 'Di ba? So, iwasan mo na. Sa money, career, finances, you have the Lovers, the Four of Cups, yes, the Six of Wands. Okay. Some of you, meron kayong hindi binibigyan ng attention sa career, sa business, na may maganda pala tong opportunity for you. So, pwedeng marirealize mo yan ngayong December, na, uy, maganda pala to. Subukan ko na nga. Or, malalaman mo lang kapag sinubukan mo na. Oo. Some of you might be partnering with your romantic partner or someone na very close to you, like a family member, and this will lead to success. So, sa love life, you have the Two of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. Mag-ingat sa mga taong paasa, ha, Leo. Kasi, some of you kasi parang meron kayong gustong bigyan ng chance dahil iniisip nyo na makakabuti yon para sa'yo, lalo na kung may anak kayo, no, sa family nyo. But, of course, kayo yung nakakaalam yan. Oo, kung ano ba yung intention yan. But, it's a risk, no, na syempre alam mo kung ano yung consequences. But I think it's going to be difficult for you na makapag-decide. So, pag nahihirapan ka, tap into your instinct, your intuition, because yan yung magiging guide mo. Alin yung pipiliin mo. Surrender to the divine. Ayan. Anything na beyond your control, you surrender. Kasi it will just go with the flow kung saan ka mas mapapabuti. You're going to embrace the flow of life and find balance. So when it comes to making decisions, I think ngayong first half ng December, you will be guided, no? You will be guided by your spirit guides. You will receive divine guidance sa mga decisions mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.